Today we're gonna make hot chocolate bombs! Yay! We've tried a few that our friends have made before and ones that are store-bought, so this should be fun.
I think it'll be better. Yeah.
I think we'll make some really bomb hot chocolate bombs. So let's get started. Okay, so we're ready. We got a thumbnail. All right, let's go. All right.
I'm cutting these into small pieces, but because they're so sticky, I'm putting them in a little bit of confectioner's sugar so they don't stick to your hands when you, yeah. All right, well, it's just starting to melt now.
What do you think, Alicia? Do you think we're gonna do a good job?
I think this is gonna be the bomb.
This is gonna be the bomb? What do you guys think? Are we gonna do good?
Really good. All right, we're melted.
Wow, we're really melting. Do you see that steam?
Are you careful with the steam? That's all I can say.
God, we almost had an accident.
Yeah.
Good?
It's really good.
How are we doing?
Okay.
Oh wow, you did great,
Susan. Good enough for the camera.
Yeah.
You know, trying to go for a different shape here.
Oh yeah.
This has a hole in the bottom, so we put a little tin foil in it.
Oh yeah, Alicia was very innovative.
So we thought we'd try some different shapes here, you know?
Oh yeah.
Get the guys excited a little
Oh
bit.
yeah, that's what I was gonna say.
Even though it might have pink sprinkles, because it is a football, they
True.
might like it.
True. It has to be cute.
It has to be cute, but at least it'll be a cute football.
Cheers! Cheers! Yay! To not messing up.
And even if we do, it's chocolate.
It's chocolate bomb
Experience.
Yes. Yes. We kind of know what we're doing. Alicia watched a YouTube video, right, Alicia? You watched a YouTube video?
Oh, I did.
And
yes.
what happened?
It looked easier than this seems so far. So
We're doing good.
We'll see.
We're doing good.
I feel like we're gonna have a little bit of breakage, but breakage is okay.
But we're doing good.
We're doing great.
Look at that confidence. Oh, wow. Is it good? We might have to add more to this one. Did you see the little hole?
Yeah. Oh, there's a couple of holes.
Oh.
Yeah, we got
we
a little extra
fixing.
work on them.
Oh yeah, perfect.
Back in the fridge.
Back into the fridge.
So
Look at Zoe over here trying to get the
I
chocolate.
know, Zoe, you're
No, Zoe.
quality control. Is that what you think? Your quality control?
Here are the chocolate bombs after being in the freezer for what, 20 minutes?
Yeah.
15?
They look good. We like the result.
Hang on. Here we go.
It's a little broken, but it's okay. Yeah, the bomb went off.
Nice job, V.
Ooh, I think the edges are gonna be the most annoying.
I think that would break it. Ooh, look at
Wow.
this. All right, so we have little holes here and there.
Okay,
but
that's fine. We're not perfect.
No.
But see, like, look at, they're melting a little bit. So, yeah, don't touch it. No, Zoe. No, Zoe. Alexa, put on a timer for a minute.
This
Yeah.
is not gonna work.
It's not gonna work.
No, these are too
Oh,
hard.
we can just eat it.
Okay.
Let's check. Oh, they're fine, they're fine. I think they're good. Oh my god, they look so cute. Okay. Oh my god, Alicia, they're like melting. Oh no,
Because we wanted to.
oh, there's a hole. I don't know what we're doing.
They're not sticking together. I need some chocolate glow.
So that's an alien one. We got a little spillage. And then we have to cover a few more, but these are kind of broken, so we're getting there. I don't know if this is a fail or not yet. No. Susan has faith.
Not yet. Valentina is making more.
Yep. V's on it. Look at her. Hard at work.
You get to eat the breakage.
All right. We've had these in for what? 10, 20 minutes? They don't look awful, but you know.
They don't look awful.
We're gonna fix them a little bit.
We're not selling these. These would be on the discount shelf.
Yeah, they would. Okay. I think it's doing pretty good. We got a hole, but it's okay.
It looks cute, so you get an inside view.
Yeah, we get an inside view of what the hell we put in there.
Oh,
my
no,
God.
stop.
Oh no, no stop.
I think they're done.
I think we're done. Oh no! They're frozen!
Guess what?
We messed up!
We can save the
Come fix Auntie to the rescue! Oh no! They're gonna break open.
Got 'em. We're good.
Oh, we're good. Oh god.
Minor disaster averted.
Alright, well.
One's opening, one's opening.
Where? No, I covered it. Time to decorate them first.
We did some decorations.
I know, do you like it?
Good job, ladies.
They're cute!
We're not going to quit our day jobs.
We're making one because this was a disaster, so.
No, there's no disaster.
No disaster.
This is all chocolate.
We're making one. All right, let's go. Let's just do the messed up one.
Yeah.
This one.
Okay.
Get it over with.
Yeah, get it out of there. Get it
All right,
out
bye.
of the rota.
Here you go.
All right, ready?
Here goes the bomb.
Ready?
What do we think? Is it gonna turn out good?
Absolutely.
Yeah, we're professionals. Oh, yes, it exploded. Woo!
Cute.
This is really cute. Yes, be perfect.
Hot chocolate without the Ready Whip.
Oh yeah, no, we definitely need that.
Wow.
Yes! It's cute. It's really cute. I'm just gonna.
That's literally just marshmallows.
Oh, it's good.
Is it good? What flavor is it?
I have no idea, but it's good.
No, it's lactose intolerant.
You will look up.
It's good, right?
Yes.
It's not too strong or anything.
I don't know what flavor it is. Maybe cinnamon.
I think there's cinnamon in it,
Oh,
yeah.
this one had a little cinnamon.
Yeah.
I think
Good?
it's cinnamon.
Cinnamon, Alicia?
Very good. Okay, trying now.
Ooh, Linda says she likes.
It's good.
So does Susan likes it too.
I could use more chocolate. Oh.
Yeah, it's not too strong though, which is good. Like it's not too sweet, which I think is yeah, no, it's good, it's good.
But which one did you put the?
Oh, we have no idea what hot chocolate with. We have no idea. It's a surprise bomb.
We didn't, yeah.
I think that you can use more
That's your
chocolate.
glass.
More chocolate? All right, well, I mean,
But it's good.
we did good. We did really good. All right, update. So these are the ones from earlier. We froze them again a little bit in the fridge. And then these ones were ones that we made after, and we kept them in the freezer for much longer, and we made the top thicker, and I think they came out a lot better. So, pro tip, make the shell thicker and keep them in the freezer for an hour or something so they really seal. You see the difference? Thank you so much for watching this video. We did pretty good, I think, for our first time.
I think we did.
Yeah. I mean,
we're not quitting our day jobs.
we're not doing this again. We'll be buying them from Alicia's friend.
Yes, absolutely.
From now on, we will be buying them.
Yes, we will.
Yeah, but you know what? It was an experience, and look up a video before you do this.
And then we had wonderful wine.
Oh yeah, wine gets you through it, everyone.
Absolutely.
Great day with great friends.
Yes, yes.
Yes, that's the best part.
Oh yes. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you like the content that you saw, because more stuff is coming, of course. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye. We forgot a football.
We're gonna have to talk. We're gonna have to.
Christmas 2020. May 21 be fantastic.
Yes.
Yeah.
Right.
And screw this crappy year.
Yes. Do you win? Go away.
If we mess up, it's fine. We have chocolate.
Wow, this is serious business.
This is needed. In case we mess up.
Wine and chocolate go together.
Give it.
That's small enough.
I think that's good.
I think so.
All right, give us the verdict. Get the best piece.
All right.
Yeah.
I think it should all
Peanut
melt.
butter.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Perfect?
Oh, good.
Yes. So we got melted chocolate.
And you need 2 spoons to do this.
Yeah, 2 spoons.
Yeah, that makes it better.
Yep. We learned. We're the experts now, so don't question us. The finishing touch. Serious chocolate. Cheers with the camera. Cheers. Cheers. And oh my god.
It's yummo.
Perfect.